Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. It's going to be a Birchbox unboxing. And I got this for free! Sorry, I just get excited for free stuff. If you want to find out how I got this free box full of hair care products from Birchbox, then stay tuned. Alright, so I got this handy dandy box in the mail today and I'm so excited because I know this is my free box. So I know you guys are probably wondering, Aisha, what did you do to get this free box? All I had to do was actually subscribe to Birchbox for a whole year. And if you subscribe for the whole year, then you got to pick they have a couple of options. If you subscribe to Birchbox for 6 months, they were giving you this full size of Sunday Riley moisturizer. But I already have this full size of Sunday Riley moisturizer. Alright, so let's see what I actually got in here. So first thing is they give you like a shipping invoice telling you what you got. Alright, so let's see. So then we have some lovely bubble wrap. And then what you guys all came to my video to see is what's inside. So this is a nice, decent size like makeup bag. Very heavy. All right, so let's see. So we got another card. Was there a card? No, there was no. It was just the invoice. So we got a card in here. It says travel hair kit. So this is what it looks like. And then it tells you like, oop, all the things that you get in the bag. All right, so let's see here. There's a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. There we go. Can you guys see all the goodies? The first thing I pulled out was this. So it's a SU hair and body wash. So that's the first thing I got in the bag. The next thing I got was Orbea Run Through Detangling Primer. These sizes are pretty nice. They're not like the mini babies. Alright, so let's see. This SU is SU Hair and Body Wash. Well, I guess this is like deluxe size because it says full size is 24. And I don't think this is the full size. Alright, so, and then this Orbea Detangling Primer says full size is 37. So they're not like full size price, so I don't know how much the sample stuff is, unfortunately. Alright, the next thing I got is an Invisibobble Spring Hair Meets Scrunchie. So I got the actual, like the clear tiny ones. I had got them in my FabFitFun, and I've gotten them in the Boxy Luxe. I've gotten them. So now, I've never had the scrunchie version though, so now I'll try the scrunchy version. And these are supposed to like not leave any like dents in your hair when you use them. So we'll see. Let's see how much that is. It says full size is 8 and I'm gonna assume this is the full size. So not bad. And it's pink. They knew my favorite color. Alright, so what's this? This is a high performance hair care N4, I think that's the name of the brand, N4. Oh, it's called number 4. Repair oil for your hair. Full size is 26. Obviously, this is not the full size. But it's a pretty decent size. I like that it's clear, so you can see right through. Sometimes you have these little things and you can't see when they're almost done, but this is absolutely clear, so you'll know when it's done. The next thing is I got is the Orenco High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. Orenco is like the sister brand to Orbea. Alright, let's see what else I got. So this is kind of cool. I love when they give like a shampoo and a conditioner. Like they give like the matching. So I got, this one is the shampoo from Amika. And I've been seeing this in a lot of subscription boxes. So that's Amika. And that's the shampoo and this is the conditioner. So the full size of this is $24 for the shampoo or the conditioner. They're both full size $24. While the Oran Co, the full size of this was $29, but it's worth it. Their stuff is really, really good. I still got more. Can you believe I got more stuff? And this was free. All right. The next thing I got was Wander Beauty. I didn't know Wander Beauty sold hair care products because in Ipsy and in Boxy, I always get a lot of like Wander Beauty stuff. So I didn't know they have hair stuff. This is what it looks like. And I actually want to try to open this so I can see what it smells like because I'm curious to see what it smells like. How much is this? Let's see how much this is. The full size is $32. All right, so I opened it. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like, it doesn't smell like an air freshener. It smells like just like a regular, like nothing. That's really weird. Honestly and truly, this does not smell like anything. It smells like maybe like, you know, hair care products like you put in your hair, but there's no like actual scent to it. So that was a little odd. All right, let's see what else I got. What else I got? Okay, so now we got a Bumble and Bumble Don't Blow It Out Fine Hair Styler for fine to medium soft hair. So this is what it looks like. And this was, well, let's see the price for the full size. The full size of this is $31. So they gave some nice, they didn't give like any like drugstore like hair stuff. They gave you like high-end hair stuff like you get in Sephora or Ulta. They gave some good stuff. So I got one and I got the bag obviously, but let's see. So we'll count the bags. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 things for free just because I signed up for a year for Birchbox. The Birchbox also, when you sign up annually for the whole year, I'm only paying $13 a month for my box as opposed to $15 a month. So that works out actually better because I'm saving money. Even though I'm not paying it you have to pay up front for the whole year, but that's what it would equal up to, $13 a month. So that wasn't bad. Oh, actually, I forgot to count this one, so that's another extra one for how much things. So I think that makes it 10 items. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So if you're interested in Birchbox, you know what? It gets the Aisha stamp of approval. The Birchbox, I compare it to Sephora Play. So they're very like hand in hand with like the sizes and how they send their subscription boxes. So I'm happy for that. And that is the end of everything that I got. If you guys like unboxing videos, please subscribe to my channel. I do lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of unboxings. Pretty much all beauty related because I'm a makeup junkie. I also do makeup hauls as well. So if that's something you like, then subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, show your girl some love, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!